In a moment in this video, I'm going to discuss some of the most important tools you will need to make money on YouTube. Thousands of people over the world want to start their own YouTube channel, but they are uncertain what equipment and programs they will need to do so. The most important equipment you will need is a camera, computer and an internet connection. It depends on your budget, but the best camera is of course the DSLR camera. This type of camera is very popular with YouTubers. They are very good for filming in low light. The videos are high quality and the image is very clear. The second choice is a smartphone. These days the image quality of smartphones equals or sometimes bypasses that of a DSLR camera. Many of the very successful YouTubers uses their smartphones most of the time. For starting out, this is a very good option. When you start to make money, you can buy more expensive equipment, such as a better lens for your DSLR, a fast lens with a large aperture that can shoot in low light. A microphone is essential if you are going to do most of your filming outside, but it's not necessary when you are in a silent environment. Microphones are expensive, but they will make a huge difference in the quality of your videos. You will need video editing software. There are many on the net, but one of the most popular free or open source software that many are using is OpenShot Video Editor. You can use the software to add music and effects to your videos and of course edit your video. It is free to use and it is very powerful. I also use Screencast-O-Matic to record your computer screen when you use slides to make videos, or if you want to demonstrate certain software on your computer screen. They have a free version and a paid version. The paid version is actually very cheap. Another free software that is used by many to record and edit audio is Audacity. It is also a free open source audio software program. Then there is OBS Studio, not a very user-friendly software but very powerful. There are many tutorials online for this program. There are many more equipment and software, but I think for the beginner this is sufficient. You will have to decide for yourself what you will need and how much you want to spend. Equipment is very expensive, but if you want to make money on YouTube with videos and want to replace your 9-to-5 job, then the best equipment is essential. In my next video, I am going to discuss some of the biggest problems that entrepreneurs have to make money online and how to solve it. Please subscribe to my channel, like the video and click the bell to be notified when my next video is published. Also leave a comment so that I can know what you would like the next video to be about. So see you in the next video.